Alright, time now is 9:45. I'm with Marcus.
Catch the lights!
We just did a boxing session at 7, what was it, 7:30? 7:30 to about 8:30 at Spartan Gym. Just a beginners like trial kind of thing. Then Marcus has decided he's gonna take me on a chill run, he says. Chill run. Alright. Okay, now 3 kilometers in, we are taking a short stop at Singapore Quarry. This is the first time I've been here. Yeah, it looks really nice. You know, I'm gonna show you just a little bit, I guess. There'll probably be some B shots from Marcus or something. After that, we'll carry on running. I think the aim today is to hit 10 kilometers. Yeah. Don't stop. Anyways, where are we going now?
We're going to Bukit Timah Hill. I think it's around 5 km or less. So
Alright.
we run back 10.
Shall we go?
Right. Yeah, sure.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're here. Bukit Timah. What's the hill?
I think so.
Yeah. Probably walk up to the summit. Let's got football later. Don't want to destroy our legs.
Hopeful, yes I am hopeful for today.
Alright, we just hit the summit of Bukit Timah Hill. We tried to power hike it. I think we did alright.
Yeah, we did fine.
Yeah, but I think we're gonna make this more often. Maybe not every day, but like at least like once or twice a week. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, Rengas path, going back to the nature reserve thing, dairy farm.
Yeah, dairy farm.
Alright, after that sprint up, oh, our quads are
It's a bit mad, yeah.
burned, bro.
It's a bit dead.
Alright, we've reached the bottom of the trails. We're gonna head to where now?
Just up front, a water cooler.
Yeah, bro, it's so freaking hot. It's 11:30. It's pretty much midday.
11:30,
Yeah,
thought it
it's
was
freaking hot, bro.
Okay.
Yeah, we gotta get a sip of water and then we'll probably be resuming the recovery run back to Marcus's place. Alright. Alright guys, so we are heading back because I'm hungry as fuck. So we're gonna go back to the green corridor trail or something like that. My phone kind of basically died, so the Strava has stopped clocking. Yeah, it's about
10
the vibes
10
today,
to
bro.
15 km.
Yeah, it's vibes today. We'll call it 12.5.
Yeah, 12.5, 12.5.
Alright.
Bye guys.
Alright. 12 p.m. Fucking blazing hot. But we're at like the home stretch. The home stretch.
We're on the straight, boys.
We're on the straight boys. We're straight boys. Oh, so fucking. I fucking hate this, bro. It's so fucking hot. I think the footage is gonna be fucking wobbly. Yeah, it's fine, bro. This is raw footage, bro. Raw and real.
That's
Like
it.
how- Oh, what the fuck? Alright. We're finishing the run right now. There's a monkey right in front of us.
There.
Yeah.
Where's the monkey?
Monkey.
Fuck this, bro! Nah! Nah! Nah!
Alright, we ran away from the monkey. He was showing his teeth and everything, like, yeah, we could have died. Then we're gonna call the run and a stop over here. I think it's about 12 kilometers. Then we're gonna walk back the last like maybe 600-700 meters just to cool down.
It's about a kilometer.
I think this is about 2,000 calories, so...
And tomorrow, we might go to the gym. We might go for another hike. We'll see what happens. Yeah. It's 2:10 in the afternoon. I'm gonna head over to Marcus's place. I'm already outside. We're gonna go to the gym. I'm really lethargic and tired today, but alright, we are here. Really lethargic and tired today. We are here. Now we're here with Marcus. Both of us are feeling fucking lethargic today. We're gonna do a 3-minute warm-up kind of jog, just to loosen up the body a little bit. Feeling a little bit jacked up from the constant running we're doing last night. Today I'm gonna be doing a pull day. I really don't want to do this, bro. Just don't give a shit today.
Yeah.
But I know I gotta like go back and edit and shit. Oh, hello.
Hello.
But it's like what, our 3rd week of swimming. We swim once every week, just to try to, like, you know, because I can't really swim that well. So I have a little bit of fear of water. So I'm trying to do this thing where I try to get used to being in water as long as possible. Try to get the techniques down. I mean, right now my techniques are just shit. I'm using so much energy in the kicks, I think, and that wastes a lot of breath. After this swim, I'll be heading back. I think that's done for the day. I'll be spending most of the time at home editing. Yeah, so hopefully this comes out on Saturday. Bye. Alright, another 5 km run, this time at the green corridor with Marcus. Marcus is like 20 meters in front of me, just past Hillview Station. Another 2 miles, he says. Not sure how much of that is kilometers. Alright, 5.6 kilometers done. I was trailing quite a bit at the end. About 30 minutes, 20 seconds. Yeah. I think timing definitely improved a little bit. So, yeah. Yes, lad. What a beast. What a beast, this guy. Jesus. My shins are dead. My calves are dead. My knee has a sort of bit light tingling, but I think it's fine yet. Sorry guys, but I think I got tap out.